Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this super bomb headband wig that I got from Aliexpress. And you guys, I am sold on the headband wig game because I want nothing to do with these frontals now that I have this headband wig. Okay, so if you guys want to hear more about this wig and how I installed it, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so let's get started. So of course we're going to be talking about this headband wig that I got from AliExpress, and it's from a company called Beaufox or Beaufox. I'll have it listed on the screen for you guys. So the hair came packaged in a regular packaging box, and then it came in that pink string bag, and inside we have a blue and white headband, which is super cute. Love this. And we also got some wig caps as well. Really love the fact that they send wig caps, and I love the fact that the wig caps are dark in color and match my skin tone. And they also sent a little thank you card and mentioned that for their first 100 customers, they will be giving a free bob wig when you leave a review. So definitely check them out down below. And of course, we have the hair itself. So the hair comes nicely packaged in a net cap and also comes with the packaging paper on the inside. And here is the information card. It is 24 inches of their headband wig, and it is a deep curly texture. So you guys, let me tell you, this hair is so soft. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. I've never had a deep curly hair texture before, and I'm absolutely in love. The hair is super soft, and it did not have no funny smell. Usually when I order hair from China, it comes with that weird smell, but this did not have no funny smell. So I was able to just go ahead and install it right away, which I love. So I'm just going ahead and cutting off the information card because we don't need it on anymore. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys the construction of the wig. So of course it is a headband wig, so of course around the perimeter you have the headband along with the Velcro straps at the end. It also comes with 4 combs, so it comes with 2 on the side, 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And for the sake of this install, I only use the 2 combs on the side and the 1 at the back, and the hair was super secure. So I love the fact that it gave us options for the combs. And of course, just to secure it in the back, you just use the Velcro on the straps. So let's get started with our install. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out one of the wig caps because I'm going to be using it on my head. And this pack came with 2, so I can use one now and have one to put down till later. And you guys, my hair is a bit of a hot mess, okay? I just took off my frontal. I've been wearing a frontal wig for the past week and a half, and so I do have a bit of buildup on my hair, but not to worry, it's going to be covered when we install this wig. So I'm just going to go in with some of my Got2b gel, and I'm going to gel back my edges just so I have a nice look with the wig. Of course, you can do your preferred baby hairstyle. So if you want to make some swoops, if you want to make some waves, whatever it is that you want to do. I don't know how to do all of them baby hair stuff, so I just slick my edges back and that's it. So that's what I'm doing here with my little edge brush, and I know you guys can see the buildup in my hair, but yeah, we ain't gonna talk about it. Okay, we're just gonna cover it up real quick with our wig cap, and it's going to be far away. Okay, no one's gonna be able to see it, so not to worry. So let's go ahead and put the wig on. You guys, as you can see, the hair came with a really nice luster. It has a really nice shine to it, and the hair is so soft. Like, I can't believe how soft this hair is. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on our head, and I secured the comb in the back first, and then I'm going to secure the combs on the side. So here I'm just adjusting the wig in the back with the Velcro. You can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want, which I really like. I do have a big head, and I will say that this wig is big head friendly. So to all my big head sisters, this wig got you, okay? You won't have to worry about having a headache because it's too tight. It fits perfectly, and along with the Velcro straps, you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. So now I'm just playing around with the hair and getting a feel for the style, and y'all, I was starting to feel myself. I really love how this looks. It just has a nice, sleek, easy, breezy look. Like, it's just so simple. And here I'm just showing you guys the length of the hair. It is 24 inches as mentioned before, and when you stretch it, it definitely does go past my boobs. So yeah, the hair is so pretty, as you guys can see. I absolutely love it. I was definitely feeling myself, okay, a little bit too much, but it's all good. So here I'm just styling it in different ways, trying to figure out how I'd want to wear it. And it's very secure on the head, you guys. I was tugging at it and it was not coming out of place. Once you put those combs in, it is not moving. So that is a plus if you're like working out or going to the gym or anything. Your wig won't be flying off. And I did get a little bit of shedding. I got about 3 strands, but it is curly hair, so we all know that curly hair sheds a little bit more than straight hair. So now I'm just gonna put on the headband that came with the wig, this blue and white one, which is super pretty, by the way. I absolutely love it. Chances are when you order a wig, you'll get a different style headband just because they come in different colors and styles. So you may not get the exact same one as I do, but I do really like this one. So here is the look of the wig straight out of the box without styling it or anything. It's super flowy. It is so pretty. It's very full. I believe this was 200% density. If I'm wrong, I'll definitely leave it on the screen, but it is a very high density, and so the hair is super full. And what I love is that you can be very versatile. You can bring the hair over to one side, or you can bring it over to the other side. So you can have a no part look, or you can have a deep part look, and I absolutely love that. We love a versatile wig around here. Okay. All right, you guys, so I'm going to be showing you a style with this hair, and it's going to be a half up, half down style. So here I'm just determining how much hair I want to be caught up in the ponytail versus how much I want to be in the back. And once I figure out how much hair I want, I'm going to take my hair scrunchie and just catch the hair up. And I'm going to be catching up the hair in a high ponytail. I want it to sit right above my head so that I can get the most volume out of the hair. And y'all, tell me that this is not cute. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite style with wearing this headband wig. I just think it's super cute, very girly, and I don't know, I just really love this half up, half down hairstyle. Okay, so another style that we're gonna be doing is catching up the hair into one big ponytail, into a nice high ponytail. So I took out the half ponytail that I had, and now I'm just gonna catch up all of the hair. And as you can see, this is what the back looks like. So you can just take the headband and just cover up the back straps. I honestly don't care if the straps in the back show the Velcro strap because it's a headband wig, and so obviously there's gonna be some type of strap in the back. So I really don't care, but if it bothers you, then you can definitely take like a headscarf and wrap it around so that you can't see any of the headband. It's totally up to you. You can personalize it as much as you want. Okay, so here is the last style, and the last style is going to be a top knot messy bun. So I'm just taking that hair and I just wrapped it around and I just did a messy bun up at the top. And this is going to be perfect for my busy moms or for those who are going to the gym. Your hair is just up and out of sight, and everybody loves a messy bun look. So those are the different hairstyles that I've been rocking with this headband wig. If you guys want to see some more hairstyles on how you can rock your headband wig, then definitely leave those suggestions down below and I can do a video showing you guys some more versatile styles for your headband wig. But of course, just wearing it down is the most easy breezy style because you just plop the wig on and you're good to go. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you think about this headband wig. Are we liking it or not? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.